In this video, I would like to share to all of you about how to make a dressing table with drawer. Okay, first of all, you have to make a simple box right here to make a wall, just for example. And you can set the floor right here and just make it group. Then you can set the color. You can set the color of this wall anyway. You can set maybe this yellow. Maybe you can set the color or this, or you can set the wall like this, and then you can set the floor color. Maybe you can use it, and then you can adjust the table height around 750 millimeter, right? And then you can set the position, and then you can set the height of the table. It's around 1500 millimeter, something like this. Okay, and after that you can set the top table. You can set the top table with a rectangle anyway. You can set the top table in this wall, and then you can set the thickness, the height around 600 millimeter, and then make it group. And after that you can make additional box right here. Then you can set the maybe it's around 500 millimeter, something like this. And then you can also set the right side position with 400 millimeter. Then you have to push it to the front with a push and pull tool, right? Then you have to make it group again. And after that you can make a drawer in here. You have to offset it inside around, maybe it's around 20 millimeter, and then you can push it back with 580 millimeter. So you can offset it with 20 millimeter, and then you have push it back until 580 millimeter, right? So you can see about the basic table drawer right here. And after that you can move it to the little bit on the top with 30 millimeter, and you can do the same method in the right drawer also. You can make it, you can offset it around 15 millimeter, and then you can push it down until it touch the ground, until it touch the floor anyway. You can offset it again until 15 millimeter, and then you have to push it until it touch the ground. And after that you can make a drawer shelf anyway. You can set any size of the shelf as you want, maybe something like this, and then you can push it to the front and just make it group, and then make it component, just create it. Then you can adjust it. You can offset it around 20 millimeter. Then you have to push it down until 130 millimeter, something like this. And then you can set the pull handle of the drawer anyway. Then you have to move it on the back side a little bit, and then you can adjust the pull handle anyway. Then you can make it component, and then you can move it on the bottom and move it again, and then you have to make it make unique, and then you have make it a little bit larger than the top drawer anyway, something like this. Okay, and then you can copy it on a right drawer area. Then you have to make it unique, and just make it unique also. Then you can adjust it. You can adjust it. Just select this side, and then you have press move. Just select the move, and you can adjust the full handle of this drawer. Anyway, you can make it equal with the top drawer. Okay, and just adjust this adjust the size of the drawer, and then you can make a different color of the full handle area. Okay, and then you can make a mirror. Maybe you can set any size of mirror. Just you can select the material, something like this, and you can set the stool, be just a schematic stool, and you can use arc. You can use arc and just select this plane, and then select this follow me, and you can using arc again, just make it group. Then you can use the previous method to make the follow me tool again, so you can see the dressing table. This is a small dressing table with drawer on, so you can adjust the bottom support of this drawer anyway with a different material. Okay, and then you can adjust with the synthetic surface material. Okay, something like this. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching. Or maybe you can select follow me to make it more perfect a little bit. Okay, thanks for watching, and wait for my next video. Thank you.